Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing a 2016 Camaro SS from the Camaro 50 series. This is car 2 of 5. It's a mainline series, but it's celebrating the 50 years of Camaro, so it's pretty cool. I really like this car. This one's in a nice white color with the blue stripes. Let's rip open, get it out. Yeah, it's got those blue rims on the black wheels as well. It's a pretty cool car, and it's got that dark tint on the windows on the back and the front, so it's pretty beastie. I know it's a mainline car, so we're missing a lot of decals from the front and the rear, like the lights, but it would have been nice if it had it, simply because it's sort of special with that 50 years of Camaro, but we can't expect too much from mainlines. Alright, thumbs up. Don't forget comments below, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.